What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sinead and today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful traditional Irish brown bread loaf. If you've been following me on social media for a while, you know that I've been absolutely obsessed with baking. I am loving that post-dissertation baking life, and specifically I've been loving making breads. All kinds of breads, but this has got to be my favorite so far. My granny used to bake bread every single day, so it's no wonder I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So today's recipe is one that I found while searching the web for something that would even come close to my grandmother's own recipe. And this one is from an Irish chef, Kevin Dundon. I will leave a link to where I found this recipe in the description box below. You really won't believe how quick and easy and delicious it is. I don't think you'll ever go back to store-bought bread again. So without further ado, let me show you how to make this beautiful traditional Irish brown bread loaf. Okay everybody, so straight away, just by looking at the utensils that you need for this recipe, you can see how simple it is. Everything you see here, you'll already have in your kitchen cupboard at home. So the first thing you're going to do is line your baking tin with non-stick baking parchment. A 2-pound loaf tin works best for this recipe. The ingredients that you see here are equally as easy to find at your local store. The beauty of buying bags of flour is that you can make multiple batches of bread. From 1 2-kilogram bag of wholemeal flour, I usually get about 4 loaves. So here's what you'll need to make this recipe. 350 grams of wholemeal flour, 50 grams of plain white flour, 50 grams of porridge oats, 2 large eggs, 2 level teaspoons of bread soda, a tablespoon of the oil of your choice, 500 ml of buttermilk, and a pinch of salt. Let's go ahead and preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius on a fan oven or gas mark 3. All you're going to do is add all your dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl, sieving in the flour and the bread soda. Give all those dry ingredients a good mix around. And onto your wet ingredients. Whisk up your 2 eggs, add the oil that you've chosen for your recipe. Here I'm using rapeseed oil, and incorporate the milk. Add the wet ingredients into the dry, scoop out your jug to make sure you get it all, and give it a good mix around. Make sure the mixture is really well incorporated. Grab your lined loaf tin and gently pour in that sloppy mixture. Flatten down the top with the back of your spatula to make sure that the bread rises evenly, and top with some porridge oats. Bake your bread in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. After the hour is up, remove the bread from the tin, pull down the paper and pop it back in the oven by itself for another 20 minutes. Agus sin é gach duine, a beautiful traditional Irish brown bread loaf for all the family to enjoy. Okay everybody, that brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it and you can see just how quick and easy and beautiful this bread is. If you try it, please don't forget to tag me on all my social medias, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!